Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable lost mode using the Find My app on your iPhone. This is super useful if your device gets stolen or lost because it helps you lock it, track it, and display your contact info on the screen. Let's get started. First, open the Find My app on your iPhone. Now, once you're inside, look at the bottom menu and tap on Devices. So here you'll see a list of all the Apple devices connected to your Apple ID. Now, tap on the device you want to put in lost mode. For example, iPhone 15 Pro. I'm gonna click on that. After opening the device, you'll see several options like play sound, you have directions, and more. Scroll a bit until you find the section called Lost iPhone. Under that, tap on Lost Mode. So right now you might see that it says off. So to enable it, tap on that. Then in here, tap on Continue. So you can enter your phone number, but this is optional. But I recommend you put in your extra phone number. So this phone number can be used when someone finds your iPhone and wants to contact with you. Once done, tap on Next. Then in here, you can enter a message. So this message will be shown on your iPhone when someone finds it. Like this iPhone has been lost, please call me or text me, whatever like that. Then click on Next. Once you've entered everything, tap on Enable or Activate in the bottom corner. And that's it. Lost mode is now turned on. Now here's what happens when lost mode is enabled. Your iPhone will be locked remotely. Your message and phone number will appear on the lock screen. Location tracking will stay active so you can monitor where your device is. And Apple Pay, along with other sensitive features, will be disabled for security. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.